All right, last one. This is a lighter note. I got a lighter note for you.
Okay.
How about Marshmallow Cola?
Sounds delicious.
Pepsi drops. Oh no, they used the word drops.
Oh,
I'm out. I can't do this. I can't do the
you're
story.
canceled, bud.
I can't do the story. I'm out. I'm kidding. Pepsi drops limited edition Pepsi X. That's the other one.
Mm.
Those words, those two things together, drops and X. Like when there's a collaboration.
I don't mind this.
You notice how they always go hand in hand, though?
Sure. Yeah,
like
I can see
often
that.
if you have an X of any kind,
You
then
have
you're
to-
also dropping.
You have to do that motion
Yes,
of the crossed arms.
that's right. Anything that's a collab that's cool enough to constitute an X also requires a formal drop.
Yeah.
Anyway, I want to talk about the Marshmallow Cola. This is the press release here. Fans can win limited edition bright yellow, pink, and blue mini cans by using the hashtag #HangingWithMyPeeps. And who knows, maybe they'll send some to us to do a taste test live.
Sure.
Pepsi.
Are you a fan
Hit
of
us up.
Peeps?
You
Marshmallow Peeps?
You know what? I like a marshmallow thing, but in moderation.
Right.
It's a very high moderation thing for me.
Mm-hmm.
I can't be eating a whole pack. But I can have a marshmallow, no problem. And then also I'm curious as a marshmallow cola, how does that end up tasting? Is that like sort of like a cream soda?
Maybe. And it doesn't fizz, right? There's no carbonation.
In what?
In the Peep.
Well, I don't think they're just jamming a peep in there. I think they're just trying to encapsulate some of the flavor.
So it's not a Coca-Cola Peep. It's a Peep flavored Coke.
Well, first of all,
or
it's
Pepsi. Oh, you know what? I saw this. It was trending on Twitter.
Yeah.
And people were frustrated that Pepsi didn't call it Peepsy as a collab.
Yeah, but they got to have their
You
brand.
know?
They got to have their trademark in there.
Anyways.
Yeah, they could have called it Pepsi Peepsy. But see, both brand, they wanted the X.
Yeah, that's what mattered to them.
They couldn't, once they knew they had to have the X. And look how they have the registered trademark on each one, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That just ruins it. Come on now.
They got to have it, man. Anyway, so another cool thing they did is the can is kind of special too, and it's shrunken. It's a 7.5 ounce, which is another cool move because as people are not drinking as much, it's considered more of like a treat to have a soda and drinking every day. You get a little can. It's kind of cute, like a Peep might be, and they're just having some fun, man. Pepsi's having some fun. I'm for it. Use the hashtag. You can win it. Maybe they'll send us one. We can do it. We can do it live. Yeah. Some Peeps and some Pepsi, marshmallow, soda. Look how cute it is, Willie. Look at all those colors.
It's nice.